What is Kaizen, and why is it important? Kaizen means continuous improvement, and it's achieved through incremental changes over time. To make Kaizen work, we need full involvement from the people who do the work. The idea is to tap into their creativity and thinking skills to identify obstacles and countermeasures to achieve their goals. To achieve significant impact, we need a framework for Kaizen. This includes setting goals and objectives, cascading them throughout the organization, and following an improvement or problem-solving process that follows the PDCA cycle. Kaizen events are team-based events that enable organizations to attain improvement fairly rapidly. While daily Kaizen is essential in creating a company of problem solvers, Kaizen events serve as hands-on learning experiences. In conclusion, Kaizen is the key to continuous improvement. Through daily Kaizen and Kaizen events, organizations can create a culture of problem solvers and attain significant improvement. To learn more about Kaizen, visit emsstrategies.com.